Hello and welcome. Here's a list we are very proud to be the one to bring to you. Dividend growth rate and double-digit dividend increases. Today, we bring you the most ignored, yet the important metrics in the dividend growth investing strategy. This is the most important metrics that veterans use to grow their long-term dividend portfolios into millions. And it is priority above current dividend yields. One of the most important criteria of dividend growth stocks is the rate the company is growing net dividend. This helps the total return, which includes upside potential and dividend payouts, of the stock over time. The rising dividend stream not only provides a hedge against inflation, but also accelerates the payback on investments. For this video, we are looking at 5-year dividend growth rate as well as at last 2 years of double-digit increase. Most of these companies also have the low payout ratios to support future double-digit increases. Please watch till the end to see our number 1 pick. The winner will amaze you. Without a doubt, these are the high-quality performing dividend growth stocks you want to have in your portfolio. Disclaimer: please note that depending what research tool you use, these dividend growth percentages may vary, so allow a slight positive or negative variance. These double-digit dividends may or may not be repeated this year, even though we hope they do. Remember, all we do is bring you the list, not the due diligence that you must do to confirm this information. Let's get right to it. Number 22. American Water Works Company Incorporated, ticker symbol AWK. Current price at the time of this video is $157.84. Current dividend yield of 1.53%. AWK has grown their dividend for 13 years. AWK raised their dividend by 10% to $0.6025 per share in April 2021. AWK has a payout ratio of 55.14%, okay, room for future double-digit increases. 5-year dividend growth rate of 10%. 5-year total return, which includes stocks appreciation and dividend payouts, beats S&P 500. Number 21. The Kroger Company. Ticker symbol KR. Current share price of $43.47. Current dividend yield of 1.93%. KR has grown their dividend for 15 years. Kroger raised their dividend by 17% to 21 cents in June 2021. Kroger has a payout ratio of 21.79%, great room for future double-digit increases. 5-year dividend growth rate of 11.63%. 1 year's total return, which includes stocks appreciation and dividend payouts, beats S&P 500. 5 years total return is behind. Number 20. Amgen Incorporated. Ticker symbol AMGN. Current price $229.14. Current annual dividend yield 3.41%. Amgen has grown their dividend for 10 years. Amgen raised their dividend by 10% to $1.94 in December 2021. Amgen has a payout ratio of 41.55%, good room for future double-digit increases. Amgen has a 5-year dividend growth rate of 11.97%. 5 years total return, which includes stocks appreciation and dividend payouts, is slightly behind the S&P 500. Number 19. Nike Incorporated. Ticker symbol NKE. Current price $145.91. Current annual dividend yield 0.84%. Nike has grown their dividend for 9 years. Nike raised their dividend by 11% to 30 cents in November 2021. Nike has a payout ratio of 29.58%, great room for future double-digit increases. Nike has a double-digit 5-year dividend growth rate of 11.35%. Nike 5 years total return, which includes stocks appreciation and dividend payouts, beats the S&P 500. Number 18. Costco Wholesale Corporation. Ticker symbol COST. Current share price of $492.43. Current dividend yield of 0.64%. Costco has grown their dividend for 11 years. Costco raised their dividend by 13% to 79 cents per share in April 2021. Another increase expected this year to keep their dividend growth streak. Costco has a payout ratio of just 27.05%, great room for future double-digit increases. 5-year dividend growth rate of 11.9%. Costco 5 years total return, which includes stocks appreciation and dividend payouts, beats S&P 500. Number 17. NextEra Energy Incorporated. Ticker symbol NEE. Current share price of $72.50. Current dividend yield of 2.12%. NextEra Energy has grown their dividend for 26 years. NextEra raised their dividend by 12% to $0.385 per share in February 2021. Another increase expected this year to keep their dividend growth streak. NextEra has payout ratio of 60.63%, okay room for future double-digit increases. 5-year dividend growth rate of 12.1%. NextEra 5 years total return, which includes stocks appreciation and dividend payouts, beats the S&P 500. Number 16. Automatic Data Processing Incorporated. Ticker symbol ADP. Current share price of $199.27. Current dividend yield of 2.09%. ADP has grown their dividend for 23 years. ADP raised their dividend by 12% to $1.04 per share in November 2021. Another increase expected this year to keep their dividend growth streak. ADP has a payout ratio of 29.11%, great room for future double-digit increases. 5-year dividend growth rate of 12.14%. ADP 5 years total return, which includes stocks appreciation and dividend payouts, beats the S&P 500. Number 15. BlackRock. Ticker symbol BLK. Current share price $808.14. Current dividend yield of 2.42%. BlackRock has grown their dividend for 12 years. BlackRock raised their dividend by 14% to $4.13 in January 2021 and again by 18% January 2022 to $4.88 per share. BlackRock has a payout ratio of 42.18%, good room for future double-digit increases. 5-year dividend growth rate of 12.52%. BlackRock 5 years total return, which includes stocks appreciation and dividend payouts, beats the S&P 500. Number 14. Air Products and Chemicals Incorporated. Ticker symbol APD. Current share price of $277.63. Current dividend yield of 2.16%. APD has grown their dividend for 39 years. APD raised their dividend by 12% to $1.50 in January 2021. 15.5% in January of 2020. Another increase expected this year to keep their dividend growth streak. APD has a payout ratio of 64.75%, okay room for future double-digit increases. 5-year dividend growth rate of 12.63%. 5 years total return, which includes stocks appreciation and dividend payouts, beats the S&P 500. Number 13. The Sherwin-Williams Company. Ticker symbol SHW. Current share price of $287.70. Current dividend yield of 0.72%. Sherwin has grown their dividend for 22 years. Sherwin raised their dividend by 23% February 2021 just before the stock split. Another increase expected this year to keep their dividend growth streak. Sherwin has a payout ratio of 22.33%, great room for future double-digit increases. 5-year dividend growth rate of 14.46%. Sherwin 5 years total return, which includes stocks appreciation and dividend payouts, beats S&P 500. Number 12. T. Rowe Price Group. Ticker symbol TROW. Current share price of $149.81. Current dividend yield of 2.57%. T. Rowe has grown their dividend for 35 years. TROW raised their dividend by 10% to $1.65 per share in February 2021. Another increase expected this year if they want to keep their dividend growth streak. TROW has a payout ratio of 45.49%, good room for future double-digit increases. 5-year dividend growth rate of 14.87%. T. Rowe 5 years total return, which includes stocks appreciation and dividend payouts, beats S&P 500. Number 11. Starbucks Corporation. Ticker symbol SBUX. Current share price of $97.21. Current dividend yield of 2.04%. Starbucks has grown their dividend for 11 years. Starbucks raised their dividend by 9% to 49 cents per share in November 2021. 10% in November 2020. Starbucks has a payout ratio of 56.79%, okay room for future double-digit increases. 5 years average dividend growth rate of 16.7%. We put a lot of work into videos like this that show you great content in presentation format. However, most of our viewers are not subscribing. As you hold the power to grow any channel with your support and subscribe, we implore you to please give us a superb gift of your golden subscribe to encourage us. It doesn't cost you anything. Just click that subscribe button, turn the notification bell blue, then like the video, and you are done. Please don't leave us without your golden gift of liking this video and subscribing. We truly appreciate you and your time. Thank you for subscribing. Now let's move on. Number 10. Lowe's Companies Incorporated. Ticker symbol LOW. Current share price of $234.99. Current dividend rate of 1.36%. Lowe's has grown their dividend for 58 years. Lowe's raised their dividend by 33% to 80 cents per share in May 2021. Lowe's has a payout ratio of 24.31%, great room for future double-digit increases. 5-year dividend growth rate of 17.67%. Lowe's 5 years total return, which includes stocks appreciation and dividend payouts, beats S&P 500. Number 9. AVGO Inc. Ticker symbol ABBV. Current share price of $137.92. Current dividend rate of 4.12%. AVGO has grown their dividend for 8 years. AVGO raised their dividend by 10% to $1.30 per share in October 2020. And almost 9% in October 2021 to $1.41. AVGO has a payout ratio of 42.24%, good room for future double-digit increases. 5-year dividend growth rate of 17.71%. 5 years total return, which includes stocks appreciation and dividend payouts, beats S&P 500. Number 8. Visa Inc. Ticker symbol V. Current share price of $228. Current dividend rate of 0.73%. Visa has grown their dividend for 13 years. Visa raised their dividend by 17% to 38 cents per share in October 2021. Visa has a payout ratio of 16.11%, great room for future double-digit increases. 5-year dividend growth rate of 17.94%. Visa 5 years total return, which includes stocks appreciation and dividend payout, beats S&P 500. Number 7. MasterCard Incorporated. Ticker symbol MA. Current share price of $382.51. Current dividend yield of 0.54%. MasterCard has grown their dividend for 10 years. MasterCard raised their dividend by 11% to 49 cents per share in November 2021. MasterCard has a payout ratio of 17.98%, great room for future double-digit increases. 5-year dividend growth rate of 18.03%. MasterCard 5 years total return, which includes stocks appreciation and dividend payout, beats S&P 500. Number 6. United Health Group, Incorporated. Ticker symbol UNH. Current share price of $466.06. Current dividend yield of 1.26%. United has grown their dividend for 12 years. United Health raised their dividend by 16% to $1.45 per share in June 2021. United Health has a payout ratio of 29.46%, great room for future double-digit increases. 5-year dividend growth rate of 18.71%. United Health 5 years total return, which includes stocks appreciation and dividend payout, beats S&P 500. Number 5. Home Depot Incorporated. Ticker symbol HD. Current share price of $366.54. Current dividend rate of 1.89%. HD has grown their dividend for 12 years. Home Depot raised their dividend by 10% to $1.65 per share in February 2021. Home Depot has a payout ratio of 43.85%. Good room for future double-digit increases. 5 years average dividend growth rate of 19.05%. Home Depot 5 years total return, which includes stocks appreciation and dividend payout, beats S&P 500. Number 4. American Tower Corporation. Ticker symbol AMT. Current share price of $246.77. Current dividend yield of 2.27%. American Tower has grown their dividend for 9 years. AMT raised their dividend by 10% to $1.65 per share in February 2021. AMT payout ratio is 93%. Keep in mind REITs are required to pay up to 90% of their revenue in dividend to shareholders. 5 years average dividend growth rate of 19.14%. AMT 5 years total return, which includes stocks appreciation and dividend payout, beats S&P 500. Number 3. BROADCOM Inc. Ticker symbol AVGO. Current share price $560.10. Current dividend yield of 3.03%. BROADCOM has grown their dividend for 10 years. BROADCOM raised their dividend by 14% to $4.10 per share in December 2021. BROADCOM has a payout ratio of 53.21%, good room for future double-digit increases. 5 years average dividend growth rate of 42.68%. BROADCOM 5 years total return, which includes stocks appreciation and dividend payout, beats S&P 500. Number 2. Nexstar Media Group Incorporated. Ticker symbol NXST. Current price at the time of this video is $162.42. Current dividend yield of 1.81%. NXST has grown their dividend for 8 years. NXST raised their dividend by 25% in January 2021. Again this January 2022 by 29% to 90 cents. NXST has a payout ratio of 12.79%, great room for future double-digit increases. 5-year dividend growth rate of 23.87%. 5-year total return, which includes stocks appreciation and dividend payouts, beats S&P 500. Number 1. Ally Financials Inc. Ticker symbol Ally. Current share price $46.82. Current dividend yield of 2.55%. Ally has grown their dividend for 5 years. Ally raised their dividend by 32% to 25 cents in July 2021. They also just raised it again by 20% to 30 cents this month, along with announcing a $2 billion share buyback. Ally has an exceptional payout ratio of just 10.23%, which means they have so much more room for future double-digit increases. 5 years average dividend growth rate of 61.54%. Ally 5 years total return, which includes stocks appreciation and dividend payout, beats S&P 500. Because we show respect and appreciation of your time and gave you value, please show us some love if you enjoy videos like this. Show us some love by subscribing, like and clicking that notification bell. Your subscribe and like is a fuel and encouragement that will make us give you more listing videos like this. Please don't leave us without subscribing. As much as we love feedback and gentle corrections, please excuse errors and omissions. Disclaimer: please note that I showcased these stocks for educational purposes only, and shouldn't be taken as investment advice. I don't personally own all these stocks, just some. Please do your own due diligence and/or consult your expert investment advisor, as more fundamental analysis may be needed before investing. Please also note that the past performance of these stocks does not guarantee or indicate similar future performance.